At Findlay Toyota, we make servicing your vehicle easy. That's because our service center is second to none. Come in this month and treat your ride to a green service, priced right at $68.95. Technicians will rotate your tires, replace engine oil and filter, and more. Our yellow service starts at $139.95. We'll inspect your tires for wear and damage, inspect your ball joints, dust covers, and brake lines. And that's just the beginning. Or upgrade to our blue service for $219.95. Your ride gets the works, like a multi-point inspection, a radiator and engine coolant inspection, and so much more. We're excited to announce our Tires for Life program at Findlay Toyota. Buy a new car with us, have it serviced regularly, and never pay for new tires again. And don't forget about the 2-year Toyota Cars complimentary maintenance package that comes standard on all new Toyotas. Findlay Toyota. We are conveniently located at 7733 Eastgate Road in Henderson, Nevada, in the Henderson Auto Mall, just off the 95 freeway.